one image prompt, one custom gem, a full 24-second cinematic AI video. Here's exactly how I do it. This is my Custom Gemini Gem. I built it with a system prompt that knows VO3 safety rules, prompt structure, and cinematic storytelling. It turns any image prompt into a complete video extension pipeline, automatically. I paste my image prompt into the gem. It analyzes the concept, checks for VO3 safety filter issues, and generates one video prompt, 8 seconds, one extend prompt, number 1, one extend prompt, number 2. All optimized, all safe, ready to use. Now I open Google Flow. I paste the same image prompt to generate the base image. I pick the one that best matches the concept and composition I want. This image becomes the first frame of my video. I select my image as the starting frame. Then I paste the video prompt from the gem's output. VO3 generates an 8-second clip. I review the results and pick the best one. Now I extend. I select my video, click Extend, and paste the first extend prompt. VO3 continues the story seamlessly from the last frame. 8 more seconds, same style, same mood. One more extend. I pasted the second extend prompt. This is the closing scene. The narrative comes full circle. Another 8 seconds added. Here's the final result. 24 seconds of cinematic AI video from a single image prompt. Opening, development, closing. One complete story.
This entire workflow is powered by one system prompt inside a custom gem. It handles safety filters, prompt structure, and storytelling, so you just paste and create. I'm offering this system prompt at an affordable price. Link in the description. DM me for details.